new chapter today. Right, application of trigonometry. The chapter name is application of trigonometry. Okay. Application of trigonometry. So before we starting this chapter, we should know the basic levels, that ratios. Okay, 2 points you have to learn. First of all, look, this is a straight line. If a point here, this is called angle of elevation. Suppose you are on the top of a building. Okay, suppose at the top of the building, you are viewing down. That is called angle of depression. Suppose here, a tower here, AB is a tower. We are standing here. Okay, the angle of depression means this angle, not this angle. Yours looks like this. Okay, this angle, accordingly, this angle is the angle of depression. Elevation means from bottom to top. That is called angle of elevation. Okay, and angle of depression means from the top to bottom. That is of angle of depression. Okay, and this type of questions, the plan is you have to draw a correct figure and explain the figure. That is 1 mark is there. Okay, for example, in a question, you have to explain. I hope your school already informed that you have to explain the figure and draw, then write the question. Not directly start. Okay, otherwise, even though your answer is correct, you may miss 1 mark. Okay, so we starting 2 points only. You have to remember. One is angle of elevation, and another one angle of depression. Okay. So we start the question. There is no other point to discuss this chapter. This is little lengthy. It will take time to finish, maybe 2 weeks. Okay. Another thing, I have a question. Thursday, can I change the time to morning or you have any objection? Ashmita may be a problem, no?
Sir, what time though?
Sir, you can.
Morning 8 o'clock Kuwait time.
Sir, it won't be possible for me because I'm going outside. Sir, I'm going outside.
Early morning.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Early morning.
Sir, India,
okay.
that's why. I mean,
no, I think Ashmita is the issue there. Ashmita.
Sir, this time is okay for me.
Ashmita, your comment.
I won't be able to attend the class if it's in the morning.
Yeah.
I won't be able to attend the class if it's in the morning.
Yeah. Okay. Then okay, no problem, because I don't want to miss any one class. Okay. Yeah, that's why I'm asking you. Okay, no problem. I'll change other batch, and that means. Okay, then let me check the possibilities. Okay, otherwise, no, another option we can change to, is it okay 2 p.m.? Is it then okay all? Because I can, other batch I can come down. 2 p.m. is it okay for?
No, sir. No, sir.
Why 2 p.m. okay? Ashmita, is it okay 2 p.m. Kuwait time? Then what time?
Sir,
it's okay, sir.
Okay, so we'll fix 2 p.m. Okay.
Sir, I'll ask.
No, sir. No.
Okay, those who are not attend next class, you can attend at the batch B. Okay, because otherwise you have to cancel it. That's the issue. Okay, anyway, I'll update it. Okay. Let me think about, because because I have to other batch there is after this batch. If possible, they are ready to come morning, then okay, as it is. Anyway, I'll update it after the class. Okay. Okay, let me, after this class, I'll discuss other batch. Okay. So now we are going to write the question. Listen, you have to remember only angle of elevation and angle of okay, angle of elevation and angle of depression. Okay. Right. A tower 100√3 meter height. A tower 100√3 meter height. A tower 100√3 meter height. a tower 100 root 3 meter height. Find the angle of elevation. Find the angle of elevation. Find the angle of elevation of its top. Find the angle of elevation of its top from a point 100 meters away from its foot. 100 meters away from its foot. Agnivesh, this application of trigonometry. Chapter name is application of trigonometry. Okay. Okay, it's a symbol comparatively compared to identities, very simple. Okay. Question is what? A tower is 100 root 3 meter height. Find the angle of elevation if its top from a point, 100 meters away from its foot. If its top from a point 100 meters away from its foot. Okay. Look at here the question. Hello.
Sir,
okay.
can you please repeat?
Question again. A tower is 100 root 3 meter height. Find the angle of elevation from a point. Find the angle of elevation of the top. Find the angle of elevation of the top from a point 100 meters away from its foot. Okay. Look at here. Here. So don't write first two questions. I'll give the note. Okay. Here, intro figure. This is the tower. AB is the tower. Height is 100 root 3 meter. Okay. The angle of elevation is 100 meter away from its foot. 100 meter away from its foot means from here. This is the foot of the tower. Here, this is C. This is 100 meter. Okay. The angle of elevation. Listen. The angle of elevation from the angle of elevation. Question is what? Again, a tower is 100 root 3 meter height. Find the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point which is 100 meters away from the foot of the tower. Question clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so angle of elevation means this one. Okay. Now we have to find this angle. We have to find out. Okay. With respect to this angle, I'm calling theta. This is the opposite side. This is the adjacent side. Connecting which trigonometric ratios? We have 6 ratios. Sine opposite by hypotenuse, cos adjacent side by hypotenuse, tan opposite by adjacent, cosec hypotenuse by opposite, sec hypotenuse by adjacent side, cot adjacent side by opposite side. Which side is possible here? Connecting these two. It is we can connect either tan or cot. Correct or not? Because you should know the this chapter there is no related to the other formulas or identities. Only this only sine theta opposite side by hypotenuse, cos theta adjacent side by hypotenuse, tan opposite by adjacent side, cosec hypotenuse by opposite side, sec hypotenuse by adjacent side, cosec hypotenuse by opposite side, cot adjacent side by opposite side. Okay, connecting these two, we know tan enough. Okay, tan theta equal to 100 root 3 divided by 100. So cancel root 3. Okay, now we know the table. Tan root 3, which angle? Tan value root 3 coming which angle? Hello. There is a table now.
So tan is equal to opposite by adjacent.
Opposite by adjacent. That is fine. No, that is our man. 100 root 3 divided by 100.
So tan
we got root
60.
3. My question is root 3 value. Which tan value? Tan.
So tan 60.
Tan 60. So theta equal to 60. Because second part of the trigonometric, second part of the introduction, we learn that one table also. Tan 30, 1 by root 3, tan 45, 1, tan 60, root 3. Then sine 30, 1 by 2, sine 45, 1 by root 2, sine 60, root 3 by 2, cos 60, 1 by 2. Keep that table in front of you. Okay, that's not by heart. Okay, so this is the way to answer it. Okay, now write the answer. Okay, you have to explain the figure. Explain. If not explaining the figure, you won't get full mark. Okay, right, because answer key there is explanation also. Right. Let AB be the tower. Let AB be the tower. Let AB be the tower. Let AB be the tower of height 100 root 3 meters. Of height 100 root 3 meters. Let AB be the tower of height 100 root 3 meters height. And let C be a point. Let C be a point. Let C be.
So let AB be.
Let AB be the tower of height 100 root 3 meters. Figure is there? No. Let AB be the tower of height 100 root 3 meters. Let AB be the tower of height 100 root 3 meters. And let C be a point. Let C be a point at a distance of 100 meters from the foot of the tower. 100 meters at the foot of the tower. 100 meters at the foot of the tower. Okay. Then let theta be the angle of elevation. Let theta be the angle of elevation. Let theta be the angle of elevation of the top of the tower. Let theta be the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the point C. From the point C. Let theta be the angle of elevation of the tower from the point C. Okay. Then finish. Tan theta equal to 100 root 3 divided by 100. Tan theta equal to root 3. Therefore, theta equal to 60. That's enough. So this part you have to write it. Neat figure. Okay. Okay. It's clear now? First question. Okay. Is it okay or not?
Yes.
Sir, can you explain again?
So, no, tell me.
Sir, can you
So
explain
the
again?
explanation, so is the explanation to be written, like, is it very compulsory?
Explanation is very compulsory. If you just starting, just tan theta equal to 100 root 3 divided by 100. Out of 4, maybe 3 marks you will get it, or 2.5, depends on the teacher. But as for the answer key, okay, last vacation I discussed with one of the teacher who used to CBSE answer sheet evaluations. Okay, every year I do that. Okay, because I don't have any paper, I didn't see and also your school teachers also, there is no facility to see the actual paper, CBSE paper. Okay. Because Gulf teachers, they're not doing that. Okay, they sent to some other locations. So I discussed one of my relative. I discussed that the teacher said there is a key, there is answer key, there is. Okay, according to the answer key, if there is a description, give mark like that. Okay, then this is the last year. Every year like that only. Okay, then the one teacher will check all the papers. Okay, then if it is your mark is higher, like above 95, 98, 99 and all, there one coordinator also there is, that guy also check it. Okay, then enter in the system. Okay, then if it is saved, then no one can amend that mark. This is the way. Then in the center only marking and all. Okay. There is no, then I surprised, I thought there will be different register number and all. That system not there now. Okay, direct number only. Suppose if you the number, for example, your number is 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. Same way only the question goes. Okay. Before not like that. Before they give a false number. They cut that number. They cut a false number like that. Okay. Okay, so careful. Maybe this is the reason. Maybe you are missing marks in exams, okay, even though your answer is correct. Okay, if you're not writing the steps, okay, even he also math teacher only. Okay, his experience telling, because for example, you are not writing ASA congruency or SSS congruency, 1 mark to cut or half mark like that. Straight away will cut. Okay, remaining marks only get. Maybe 3 places, you didn't write the reason, 3 halves, that is 1.5 gone. So careful while writing the board exams. Okay. Your school may be not like that. Maybe they will give something direction under, but so practice now. Your paper, you suppose you going to write the board exams. So careful that neatly. If there is no figure, as per the instructions, now need to check that question like that. Straight away 4 mark will lose. But many guys missing the marks like that. Their argument is question paper there is a figure, so why should I draw that? Okay, 0 mark that questions. And another thing, there is no re-evaluation of your paper. That's very important thing. Okay, keep in your mind. Suppose you're writing the board exam, there is no re-evaluation. Okay, even you go to the court. Okay, not allowed. As per the system of CBSE, it's not allowed. It is allowed. Last year, I think some guys went to the court to evaluations. Court did not allow. Supreme Court did not allow that as per the CBSE rule. It's not re-evaluations, but recounting is there. Understood? No. Suppose you feel your mark is less. Only thing they will check the counting only, not evaluation. Okay, understood what I said? Okay, there is no re-evaluation your paper, but rechecking is there. Okay, just counting. Suppose all adding any mistakes and all. Okay, and you have to pay some amount for that. If you get difference marks, if you get more, they will return the that money. But very rare only the chances there is a re-evaluation mark is changes and all. Okay, this is the system. In account, this is the answer checking a camp. Okay, they won't take the home and all. Okay, in a camp they sit together, all the teachers sit together, they check the marks, evaluate it and add it. Okay, after that they are directly who are all checking the mark. Understood? No, suppose the guy checking, the teacher who is checking your paper directly enter the system. Directly, there is no in between, there is no checking. Actually, I surprised that what he said, that there is no checking in between. Directly he entered the system and save. After that, no one can change that, modify. Okay, only those who have even 100 out of 100 or 99, 98, they will check it. The coordinator again just cross check it. That's all. Okay. So those who plan to get the full marks under, very careful, write all the reasons under. Okay. Okay, and another thing, suppose the government can interfere your marks under. No, they cannot do anything. Once the correct, those who are checking the question paper, once he's saved, no one can interfere with that. Okay. Okay, so careful. As for not only this chapter, every chapter, when as per the requirement, if there is a figure, you draw the correct figure with the pencil and scale, and with all the reason. Okay, according to my relative saying, okay, many guys missing the marks because of their not writing the proper reasons, like ASA, vertical opposite angles, like the reasons. No, that's important. Okay. Okay, now here, clear now. Now you have to learn how to learn. Okay, then you have to learn how to write, how to present your paper. Okay, that's also important thing since you're writing for a board exam. Okay, so next question. Next question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground. From a point on the ground, which is 30 centimeter away, which is 30 centimeter away from the foot of the tower, which is 30 centimeter, 30 meter, centimeter nothing, 30 meter away, 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. I hope everyone understood what is the angle of elevation and angle of depression. Okay, if you are sitting nearby the window, open the curtain and check the opposite house, top floor. Suppose you're sitting 5th floor, opposite house 10th floor, you look at. That is called angle of depression. We go to the opposite house ground floor, that is called angle of depression. Okay. Okay, this is a very interesting chapter. All applications in this chapter is there. Trigonometric applications there is. Okay. Suppose before aircraft landing, okay, the radar system check the airport. Understood, no? Whether landing, okay, airport clear or not, like that. Okay. So then that is using, okay, wait. That's all using trigonometric applications only. Okay. Suppose some air, if you are good in physics and maths, 12th, you can go for the aircraft pilot training and all. I'll read the question, Divansh. Wait. Okay. You can go for the pilot training and all. Okay. The worldwide job opportunities more. Okay. Pilot training and all. Piloters. Okay. So only thing is plus 2. Your plus 2 physics and maths marks good. Then only they will get admission. And all over the world, demand is there. Long back, Indian pilots gets around 5 lakhs plus their allowance and all that is. Okay. Indian pilots are very demanded. Okay. All over the world demanded Indian pilots because our pilots are very experienced landing in difficult airports and all, like tabletop airport is there. Because our airport sometimes very difficult. Maybe while landing, maybe a cow crossing or a buffalo or a dog crossing in the. Okay, so that's it. Some airports are very dangerous airports also. That is like what do you call Calicut airport. Okay, Kerala, there is a place Calicut. Calicut airport is in danger. It is called tabletop airport. They're calling. Okay, and Mangalore. Recently, there was an accident in Mangalore. Okay, and Shimla airports and all, Kashmir. Okay, these airports are very dangerous airports. Okay. Okay, so that means the airport is very not fit. Actually, there was a report not fit for the landing for Mangalore airport and all. Then some political pressure and all they allowed. Okay, so the most less accident in the aircrafts only comparatively train, bus, car and all. Okay, don't scared about that. It's if you are interested, you can go for that training. It's a good. Okay. Okay, so all listen, all angle of elevations and depressions, all basic, all using the trigonometric ideas only. Okay, but pilots not directly viewing this one. So radar system is viewing. Okay, so okay, question now. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. Question: the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground, which is 30 meters away, which is 30 meter, which is 30 meter away from the foot of the, from 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. From the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Okay. So look.
Sir, can you
Question
repeat the
again.
question?
Now clear. Anaga, Divansh, question clear or not?
Sir,
Yes,
can
sir.
you repeat the question?
Question is the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground is from a ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. Okay. Look here. I told you 2-3 questions I'll explain. After that we can try. Okay. AB is the tower. Tower height is given. Tower height is not given. Okay, we have to find H. And from here, which is 30 meter away, 30 meter away, the angle of elevation, one guy here. Okay, this angle is 30 degree. So we have to find the height. Okay, listen here. Maybe anyone have a doubt. The angle of elevation means from your eyes, correct or no? Hello. Hey, come on. At least you discuss with me. Okay, this chapter is very interesting chapter, not like dry trigonometric identities. Okay, the angle of elevation means elevation from his eyes. Correct or no? Right?
Yes,
Who
sir.
is the angle of elevation? One guy, right? Hello.
Yes.
So angle of
Yes, sir.
elevation. Listen. So where the person here now? Here, where the person? At the person is at. Person is at where? Which place? Down. Which point? Down means what? At A or C?
Point
At C
C.
or B? At C, right? The person at C. Okay. Okay. Maybe. Look, there is a issue. The person is under the ground or above. Hey, come on. So, above. Then what about his height?
About.
It's above, correct? It is above, right? Not otherwise. This guy in a pit, his eyes only open. He look like that only this figure. Okay. Then why not considering the height of the person? Actually, the figure should be like this, no? Look. Person here. Okay. This guy person. Okay. Okay. Then this figure. Correct or not? Maybe his height is maybe 2 meter or 1.5 meter like that. Okay. But why not considering? That's important question. Listen here. If the person height is not given, listen, in the question, the person height is not given, you don't want to consider that. Reason is, suppose a big tower, suppose a green tower. Look, far hill, there is a green tower. There is. Are you notice that one? Green tower is there. You know, idea or not? Low, far hill, green tower. Okay, there is a tower, green tower. There is so many restaurant also there is. Okay, so suppose you're looking at the green. Look at that green tower. Okay, compared to your height, compared to green tower, your height is very small. That's why not considering. Okay, if your height is given in the question, you have to draw the figure is like this. Okay, so now, okay, now here connecting these two, which trigonometric ratios? These two connecting what? Sine, cos, or tan. Which one you want? You can use it. Hello, connecting these two, which trigonometric ratio? It is what? Tan. Okay, tan 30. You have to explain. I not. That's your job. You write AB the tower of height, H angle of elevation at the point C, which is 30 meter away from the ground, and 30 degree. Okay, tan 30 equal to H by 30. Tan 30, 1 by root 3 equal to H by 30. H root 3 equal to 30, correct? Tan 30, H by 30, 30 equal 30 equal to h root 3, h equal to 30 divided by root 3. Okay, so we cannot keep answer like this. We have to rationalize it. So 30 root 3 divided by 3, that is 10 root 3. 10 root 3 meter. Okay, 10 root 3 meter. Look at here. If the root 3 value is given, hello, if the root 3 value is given, don't apply here. That is illegal way. Like 30 divided by 1.732. Don't use that one. It's illegal way. You cannot use it because irrational number, we cannot divide it. You have to rationalize it. Okay. So rationalizing, we got 10 root 3. Okay. Suppose root 3 value is not given. Okay. In the question paper, in the question, root 3 value is not given. You don't want to write it. You just keep it 10 root 3 meter enough. If it is given, only you have to apply it. Understood what I said? Because root 3 value, you have no idea. Because sometimes root 3 value, 1.7 we use it. 1.73 we use it. 1.731 you use it. Because which value you can apply it? No idea. Okay, so in the question paper, as per the board I'm telling you, the question paper against your question, not in the question paper anywhere, against your question, they will tell you use root 3 so and so, then only apply it. Clear now? Anaga, clear now what I said?
Yes.
If root 3 value is not given, don't write anything. Don't take, don't oversmart. You'll be in trouble only. Reason is root 3 is an irrational number. There is no particular value. You have no idea. That's all. You say, I don't have any idea. Okay. So if the value should be given. Okay. I hope this is the instruction you got from the school also. Okay. I'm telling you board instruction. Okay. So right now, you draw the figure and explain it. And finally, you write, let A be the tower of height h. Let A be the tower of height h, and angle of elevation at the point C, which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower, is 30 degree. Then tan 30 equal to tan 30 equal to h by 30. Then write it. Okay. Take your time. Neatly write. Marks, what marks? Divansh explanation. I told you, if you for explanation, if you forget, maybe this is 4-mark question. 1 mark will you'll miss it. Okay. Okay. 1 mark missing means not 1 mark missing is 1.25% you missing. Understood? No. You feel, oh, 1 mark only missing, So 1 divided by 80 into 100. We just calculate it. 1.25% you missing. Okay. Okay. Why can't no? That depends on the cross checking, because if there is an explanation, how no figure? If there is no figure, straight away cut. You asking Divansh? You ask me without figure. Without figure, as per the key, CBSE key. Okay, no mark, no check, 0 mark only. Okay, so careful there.
So 1 mark will be gone because of the figure.
Okay, if it is yeah, that is a good question. Who asked Tia?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if there is figure is correct, something you will get it. Okay, that's why I'm telling you, CBSE very easy to get mark. For example, capital of India, New Delhi, correct or no?
Yes,
Even
sir.
you write
Yes.
even Tia write New Cochin, you will get half mark. Why? Why you getting? Why you are getting New Cochin half mark?
Because the word new is there.
New is there, no? Correct. New Delhi's new is there. Okay, Delhi only missing, no. So half there is like that only CBSE key. I'm telling this reality. Okay, I discussed with the CBSE examiners who are all checking the papers and all. He's the senior teacher, and he used to go to the coordinator. So, okay. Okay, so careful, easy to get mark with all the steps. Okay. So next question.
So 2 months I done.
Not finished? Okay.
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so next question. A tree 12-meter height, a tree 12-meter height, a tree 12-meter height is broken by the wind. A tree 12-meter height is broken by the wind in such a way that its top touches the ground. Its top touches the ground and makes an angle 60 with 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 the ground, makes an angle 60 with the ground. Okay. At what height from the bottom of the tree? At what height from the bottom of the tree? At what height from the bottom of the tree is broken by the wind? Is broken by the wind. Okay.
So I will get
Can
it
you
by
repeat
the
after
word.
that what?
Question again. A tree 12-meter height. A tree 12-meter height is broken by the wind in such a way that its top touches the ground. Its top touches the ground and makes an angle 60 degree with the ground. Okay. At what height from the bottom of the tree? At what height from the bottom of the tree is broken by the wind? Question clear or not? Okay, question okay. Vishal, read the question.
Sir, I didn't read it completely. I was about to ask you to repeat it.
Okay, read up to what you wrote. Then the remaining part I'll tell you. Hello, read. Not full.
Sir, there was also net lag, so I couldn't hear you properly.
No, you didn't write anything.
No, sir, the voice wasn't much clear for me.
No, Anaga, read the question.
Yes, sir. A tree 12-meter height is broken by the wind in such a way that the top touches the ground and makes an angle 60 with the ground. At what height from the bottom of the tree is broken by the wind.
Okay, this is the question. The question: a tree, 12 meter, a tree 12-meter height is broken by the wind in such a way that its top touches the ground, makes an angle 60 with the ground. At what height from the bottom the tree is broken? At what height from the bottom of the tree is broken by the wind? Okay, Abhiram, you got the question?
Yes, sir.
See this Vishal, your net in Kuwait and in Chennai also same only. Which net you are using, man? Take a nice.
Sir, with I didn't get any lag.
No, your network is only in Kuwait also. It telling your net is your building net is not. Here, where you reach, actually, in India, internet connection is far better than Kuwait, because my experience last my vacations, there is no break, very good connection, especially Airtel connection. Okay, then I suggested to some guys take Airtel. Also, you check your area which connection is good. Okay, so then there is fiber net is the Geo fiber net is the Airtel fiber net is there. So how many connections there? You can select it. Not like here only 3. So lot of connections. Some private also connections there, and some connection including TV channels also there is. So you select the best one. So okay, here okay. I know some areas here also some areas Zain not working or Orido not working or ST is not working. Okay. So India not like that. A very good network is there is. Okay. And 4G is like our 5G speed is there. Okay. So now complete the question or not, Vishal? Complete or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now look at here. The tree. Look at here. A tree 12-meter height. Okay. A tree 12-meter height. Okay. Before the wind. Okay. Before wind, tree looks like this. Okay. Then broken by the wind in such a way that top touches the ground. Okay. It's broken from here. It touches the ground. Okay. Why it is going to the ground, not going to up? Hello. Why the tree after is coming to here? Why? What is the reason? What is the reason it is coming to the ground, not going up? Hello. You understand what I said? Why it is coming to the ground, not going up? Abhiram. Gravity. Yeah, it is because of gravity, right? It's due to the gravity. Okay. If it is space, no, Divash, not. Suppose if it is space, it won't come. It will go like this. Even you cannot drink water also. Okay, like that. Okay. So, okay, question. A tree 12-meter height, 12-meter height is broken by the wind in such a way that its top touches the ground at an angle of 60 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees. Okay. Before tree like this tree coming to here. Okay. The top touches the ground at an angle of 60 degrees. Okay. At what height from the bottom of the trees? At what height from the bottom of the tree is broken by the wind? What you find out here? No. What you find? You find what? AC, right? Okay, everyone answer the question. Either type or you take the mic and answer it. Okay. Okay, we have to find AC. Question clear now? A tree, listen, a tree 12-meter height is broken by the wind in such a way that its top touches the ground and makes an angle 60 degrees with the ground. At what height from the bottom of the tree is broken by the wind? Okay, so that means AB the tree, the broken at C makes it 60 degrees. We have to find out AC. Okay, I'm taking this is X. Okay, what about CD? How much? Hello. Suppose AC
12
is
minus
X.
X.
12
12
minus
minus
12 minus x. Correct or not? Because total is this part only. Look, this part only. Suppose this is the tree. Okay, this is the tree. This part only coming to here, right? This part coming to here. So this is 12 minus x. Okay, now connecting these two, which trigonometric ratio? Angle here, connecting these two, which trigonometric ratios? We have 6 options is there. Which one is possible?
sine.
Eh?
Sine.
Sine. Okay, sine 60.
Nine.
Cos 60 how? Cos is what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. There is no adjacent side here. Sine 60 equal to x by 12 minus x. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2 equal to x by 12 minus x. I'll do here root 3 into 12 minus x equal to 2x. Okay. So 12 root 3 minus root 3x equal to 2x. Okay. 12 root 3 equal to x into 2 plus root 3. Okay, now? 12 root 3 equal to x into 2 plus root 3. So going that side. X equal to 12 root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. Okay. So rationalizing 12 root 3 into 2 minus root 3 divided by 4 minus 3. Okay. You studied last year rationalizing chapter. Okay. So then what will get? Answer is 12 root 3 into 2 minus root 3. So here 12 root 3 into 2, 24 root 3 minus 12 root 3 at 36. Okay, then root 3 value is given in the question. Root 3 value is given 1.73. Root 3 is 1.73. You apply here 24 into 1.73 minus 36. Clear now? Question. Are you okay? I'll the calculation part I'll explain again. Look. Listen now, calculation part. This is a star question. Mark it. This chapter nothing deleted. Okay. This chapter nothing deleted. So every question is important questions. Not like identity. Identity some part deleted. All. Okay. So what we'll do here? After the explanation, you write sine 60 equal to x divided by 12 minus x. Sine 60 root 3 by 2 equal to x divided by 12 minus x. 12 root 3 minus root 3 x equal to 2x. 12 root 3 equal to x times 2 plus root 3. So x equal to 12 root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. Then rationalizing 12 root 3 into 2 minus root 3 by 4 minus 3. Why 2 plus? Are you okay with that? I don't want to explain that one because you are right. 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. So that is 24 root 3 minus 36. Okay. Then 24 into 1.732 minus 36. Find this answer. Okay. Okay. You calculate it. Look at here. You explain. You can write AB the tree of height 12 meters. Suppose the tree broken by the wind at the point C and CD and CD and it touch the ground at the point D. The angle of elevation is 60 degree. Okay. Then let AC equal to X. Therefore, CD equal to 12 minus X. Like that, explain in your words. Okay. Make a small story. Okay. Don't make big story. You don't want to write Okay. So tell me the final answer, how much you got. Okay.
So 1 minute.
Okay, take your time. Okay, 1 or 2 minutes to take it.
Sir, I have typed my answer.
Yes. So how come different answer? Anaga, Kadir, your answer correct. 5.569 is okay. That is correct answer. Viraj, that is wrong. 5.52. How you take the correct value? 1.732. Head. The figure is there. Head. Listen. AB. Listen. Head. AB the tower. Sorry. AB the tree. Broken at here. This point is X. Here is 12 minus X. Reason what? Because total is 12. X plus 12 minus 6 is 12. Then just
Sir, I
take
got 5.569.
5.56. Which root 3 value what you took?
1.732.
Then 1.732. Not this answer. Maybe your multiplication is wrong. Check again that. Okay. Head. Are you okay? See, listen head. AB is the tree before the wind. Okay.
Sir, I got 5.5.
Wait. Wait. Before the wind, the position of the tree, AB. After the wind, it's broken at C. That B touches here. Of course, it touches here, right or not? When a broken, suppose the broken is a tree, it comes like this. Okay. Here that makes 60-degree angle. Okay. Then we have to find out this height AC. So we connecting this is X, it will be 12 minus X. Reason is what? Total is 12. Okay. Then connecting these to sine 60, that root 3 by 2 is calculated here. Okay. The correct answer is 5.569. Okay, 5.568 also no problem. That is no problem. Okay. Let me check what you did. 24 root 3. Okay, let me see. 24 into 1.732 minus 36. Yeah, 5.568 only correct. 5.568 only correct. Okay. Okay. Abhiram, you got?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So everyone are clear now? Agnivesh. Okay. So next question. Hello, Rishabh, you got it?
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
I did know. I did all. Then okay. Why should I ask? Okay. Next question. This is another tree. You try yourself. Okay. A tree is broken by the wind. This is another tree. A tree is broken by the wind. A tree is broken by the wind. The top struck the ground. The top struck the ground at an angle of 30 degree. The top struck the ground at an angle of 30 degree. The top struck the ground at an angle of 30 degree and at a distance of 30 meters from the foot. 30 meters from the 30 meters from the root. Once again, a tree is broken by the wind. The top struck the ground at an angle of 30 degree at a distance of 30 meter from the root. So that means this is 30 meter. Okay. Find the height of the tree. Find the whole height of the tree. Question. Kavinaya, you got the previous answer?
So it is at the distance of 30 meters.
Wait. Okay. So question. A tree is broken by the wind. A tree is broken by the wind. A tree is broken by the wind. The top struck the ground at an angle of 30 degree at a distance of 30 meters from the root. Okay. Find the whole height of the tree. Find the whole height. That means full height you have to find out. Okay, you try yours.
Sir, can
So,
you repeat?
where you
Sir,
reach?
can you repeat?
Okay, up to you read full. Then remaining part I'll explain to you.
So what, I couldn't hear it.
Come on, man. You didn't write anything.
Yes, sir.
What you wrote?
Nothing.
Nothing. Come on, you are
Yes.
net something wrong, man.
Which network is better, sir?
Your network is quite also a problem.
No, sir. It's good.
So you set the market, which is the cheapest one you purchase. That's why. Okay.
Not
Right.
like that.
A tree is broken by the wind. A tree is broken by the wind. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
The top struck the ground. The top struck the ground. The top struck the ground at an angle of elevation. At an angle of elevation of 30 degree. The top struck the ground at an angle of elevation. The top
Sir, at the angle of?
At an angle of 30 degree. At an angle of 30 degree. At an angle of 30 degree. And at a distance of 30 meters and at a distance of 30 meters from the root and at a distance of 30 meters from the root. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Find the
Yes, sir.
find the whole height of the tree. Find the whole height of the tree. Okay. Okay. Draw a correct figure and get the answer. Root 3 value you can take 1.732. Root 3 value 1.732. Okay. And type the answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. South, correct. South, answer is correct. Okay. I don't want 25 root 3. That's wrong with my. Okay. South, you got correct. Your answer is wrong with my. Okay. Yes, Dhruv, correct. US 3. Where is the second digit? Did you apply 1.732? US 3. Apply 1.732.
Okay, sir.
Okay, finish it fast. Dhruv, correct. US 3, correct, but just adjust the answer. Final answer. Okay. First all, Earth
Okay, sir.
and Kavinaya, correct. Kavinaya, 1.73, 1.732. You'll get one more digit. Okay, 5.9, then one more digit is there. Okay. Okay, speed up. Hey, Sarah, this is another tree. Okay. The full tree, AB, the full tree broken by the wind at an angle of elevation is 30. C here, D here, this one is 30. This is also 30. Okay, we have to find out both. Rishabh, correct. Okay, this is the figure. X here, Y here. You have to find out X and Y, then add it. Okay. Anubama, correct. Okay. Okay. Sanyukta, correct. So now I get the figure now. You try now. Connecting, you have to find both. First you get this one and add it. Okay. Hey, come on, speed up. Dhruv, Farzana. Anaga, you got? Okay, almost. Look at here. You have to explain. I'm not going to write that one. First of all, sine 30. Oh, sine 30 cannot apply. Okay. Tan 30. I'm connecting these two. Tan 30 x by 30. 1 by root 3 equal to x by 30. X equal to 30 by root 3. Correct? Okay, so that is 30 root 3 by 3. 15, 10 root 3. Okay, x 10 root 3. Now connecting these two. Cos 30. Cos 30, 30 by y. Cos 30 root 3 by 2 equal to 30 by y. So root 3y equal to 60. Y equal to 60 by root 3. Okay, that is okay. Before you got 30 by root 3. Okay, therefore x plus y equal to 30 30 by root 3 plus 60 by root 3. So 90 by root 3. That is 90 root 3 by 3. So 30 root 3. Okay. Final answer is 30 root 3. 30 into 1.732 will get 51, 51.96. 51.96. Okay. If not getting asked, okay. Okay, finish. Arunima, is clear or not? And
Yes, sir.
okay, Viraj, Vishal, finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. A person. Hello. Listen all. Next question. A person standing on the bank of a river. A person standing on the bank of a river. A person standing on the bank of a river. A person standing on the bank of a river. Observe the angle. Observe the angle. Observe the angle. Observe the angle. Subtended. Observe the angle. Subtended. Observe the angle. Subtended by a tree. Subtended by a tree.
So
On the
standing on the
opposite,
bank of a river.
a person standing on the bank of a let me see whether I can send the question. Wait, just wait. Then easy for me. I'll send the question in the group. Okay. 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 I send the question. So copy the question, and after copying, I'll explain what is the subtended angle. Okay. Tia, you have the question now? No?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay. Okay. So draw figure. Okay. Okay. So, look at here. Maybe you had doubt about subtending angle. What the meaning there? Subtending angle. What the meaning? Anyone idea? Not angle of elevation here. Subtending angle means in between the angle. For example, there is a candle here. Okay. Subtending angle means this angle in between. Studied last year, no? Subtending angle. The chord subtends an angle. In between the angle, that is called the subtending angle. Okay. Not angle of elevation, not angle of depression, subtending angle in between the angles. Okay. The top and bottom end. Okay. Draw. You can try this question yourself. Draw neat figure and explain. Then get the final answer. Two questions is there. Find the height of the tree and the width of the river. Okay. We can try. Shravan, you getting now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just wait, Tia. I'll explain it. Just others trying. Okay, so after that I'll do it. I'll give 5 minutes on. You read the question. A person standing on the bank of a river. Okay, draw a river. Then the angle subtended by a tree on the opposite bank is 60 degree. Draw a tree. That angle is 60 degree. Then when he retreats 20 meters from the bank, that means going forward or backward. My question, going front or back? Back. Otherwise he will die now because he go to the river. He find the angle of elevation to be 30 degree. Then find the height of the tree and width. Okay. Draw the figure. I'll give you 2 more minutes. Okay. Okay, look at here. I'll give a figure. Listen now. A person standing on the bank of a river. Look at here. This is the river. AB. Okay. Okay. A person and observe a person. Okay, two angle. A person standing on the bank of a river. Observe that the angle of subtended by a tree is here is the tree. BC the tree. Angle of is 60 degree. Okay. Then when he retreats 20 meters from the bank to here, this angle is 30 degree. Okay. So now find the height of the tree and width of the river. This is the figure. Figure okay? Hello. Figure understood now?
Yes, sir.
Listen, once again, you have to explain the figure. AB is the river and tree BC. Angle of elevation at the point A is 60, centimeter back 30 degree. Okay. Always, if it is away from the tree, angle of elevation will be less. Come on. In theater, which place you prefer to sit? Near the screen or far from the screen?
Far from the screen.
Why far from the why far? Because if you sit nearby, your neck will be a problem. Correct or no?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So,
Yes,
but some guys, especially some guys, they like sit near the screen because they want to see their actor very close. Okay, like Tamil Nadu guys. Okay, the Rajini movies and all. They are fighting for. I saw in Ajal theater once. Okay, they're fighting for the first seat. Okay, then they want to see their Rajinikanth nearby, like that. Okay, they brings flower and all. Then when the Rajini first entry, they're standing, throwing the flower and all. Okay, some guys praying. This one you can see in Rajinikanth movie and all. Okay. Okay, so they prefer first seat. They're fighting for the first seat. Even they're ready to pay extra money. They want the first row. Okay, but always better you take the far seat because easy to the angle of elevation is less. So your neck will be easy, comfortable seat. Okay, so this is the question now. First, the person at A. Angle of elevation is 60 degree. Then okay, we assume that this is H, here is X. Okay. First of all, tan 60 equal to H by X. Okay. Then root 3 equal to H by X. Root 3x equal to H, number 1. Then tan 30 equal to H by 20 plus X. Okay. 1 by root 3 equal to H by 20 plus X. That is 20 plus X equal to H root 3. Now, this is just like a linear equations in two variables. H equal to root 3x. 20 plus X equal to H is root 3 X into root 3. So 20 plus X equal to 3X. 20 equal to 2X. X equal to 10 meter. So the width of the river is 10 meter. Okay. Listen, a question again. Initially, the person at A, that means on the bank of the river. That time, angle of elevation is 60 degree. Then going back, not here. If you go here, you'll die. Okay. So here, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Okay. So this is the here two angles involving, not like previous question. First, tan 60 H by X. Root 3 equal to H by X. Root 3x equal to H. First one. Tan 30 H by 20 plus X. 1 by root 3 equal to H by 20 plus X. 20 plus X equal to H root 3. 20 plus X equal to, instead of H, we can write root 3x, root 3. So that is 3x, X equal to 10 meter. Therefore, H equal to 10 root 3. Okay, right now. 10 meter river is not a river actually. Okay. So width is 10 meter, very less. So in Assam, Dibrugarh, some areas 3 to 4 kilometer width there is. Kilometer, not meter. Okay. Anyone seen that area, Dibrugarh, Brahmaputra? Nobody here from Assam.
Sir, when I was watching another movie in theater, I saw the trailer. I saw the trailer of Brahmastra, right?
Yeah. some areas, the width is 4 kilometer. 4 kilometer river width.
Okay, sir.
So 10, this one 10 meter, nothing. Okay. So right first. So this is also good question. All star questions only. There is not nothing deleted from this chapter. All difficult questions there. Okay. And in trigonometric introductions, difficult questions may be chances less only.
Done, sir.
Okay. What is the answer you got? The width. Oh, okay. Width is 10 meter. Height is 10√3. Correct or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone check first. There is no new
Yes,
question
sir.
today. Everyone check these questions only because next question continuation. You should know these to study. Okay. So I hope your batch will be. There is no change in the time. I'll try to adjust with the batch. Okay. Anyway, I'll update it. Okay. So this is enough today.
Okay, sir.
Prepare this question. How many questions finished today?
Sir, I think 5 or 6.
Only today's question is study. Because next class, then all I
So
can do the
4
next.
questions.
Eh? How many?
So we did 4 questions today.
These only these 4 questions only you have to study next before the next class. Okay. Because already studied in school this chapter, right?
No, sir.
Hmm.
No, sir, we didn't start.
Okay. Okay.